house today. Wetin I wan tell them? Hey, wetin I wan tell them again today now? The other day, wetin I tell them? Wetin I tell them again the other day? I say, wow! 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 Yes. I talk am. I say, wow. They come smile. I say, beautiful ladies. Beautiful ladies. Yes, I talk am. I say, beautiful ladies. You guys look beautiful. I say, thank you. Yes, I talk that one. I say, thank you. And they will say, come my house today now. I will take you guys to the city. Yes, I told him, I said, I will take you guys to the city. They said, thank you, sir. Okay. If they come today now, wait now, I won't sit tell them. Wait now, I go sit tell them today. Hey. And they also come, very soon they also come. Hey. Time don't reach, they also come. Wait now, I go tell them now. Wait now, I won't tell them. I go say, you are welcome. No, I'll say, welcome. I could say, welcome, you are welcome. No. Welcome to my house. That one could walk. No. I could say, you are welcome. Waiting I go give you. No. What will I offer you? No. Waiting I go give you. I don't want to walk. Where? Any bisha. May they come. Today. May they come. Today. May they come. You know easy. Hey. Are too wise. In short, are too wise. May they come. No matter. Are too wise.
I did fine. Come here, ask you something. I know that you big party. I just small thing. No reach you and do. Just born me 1,000. What is that? I want to go talk borrow. You big pass borrow now. Just dash me 1,000.
Okay. Don't worry. I will call my bank manager. Huh? Let me call my bank manager. The phone is not going. I'll call him. The phone is not going.
Bank manager?
Yes, the phone is not going.
1,000 naira?
Yes, I will call
bank manager? For 1,000 naira?
Yes, you know this Nigeria here in the village, you see how people do things. You don't need to carry money along with yourself, so someone have to secure himself. Yeah. That is why.
Secure yourself with 1,000?
I will call my bank manager. Don't worry.
For 1,000 naira?
Yeah, I will call my bank
I don't think just a joke. Maybe you don't want to give me. You don't like all those years past me. Why you do like this?
I will do.
Even all those my friends, now you forgive them.
Okay, don't worry. When I call my bank manager, when you have attended to me, I'll send someone to bring it for you.
For 1,000 naira?
Yeah.
Okay, what do you want to chop today?
Don't worry. Calm down. Go and wait me in the bed. Go and wait me in the
bed.
I will give you
1,000 naira.
Yeah.
Bank manager. You did wait bank manager for 1,000 naira. Yeah.
Calm down.
1,000 naira.
Calm down.
Bank manager.
Calm down.
I fear will not fear you. 1,000 naira.
Calm down.
Even with your book 1,000 naira.
Wait me in the bed. Calm down. I will bring it for you. Don't catch me for this one again. Waiting again. Don't catch me for this one again.
see, wetin? I don't discuss that boy. Now scammer.
Why you go talk like that?
So you never know.
What happened?
Not you know for your mouth.
I beg 1,000 naira. You know see 1,000 naira.
How you go expect to for our brother don't change the money?
You say now 1,000 naira they want to call bank manager for. Why you go tell us to give you money at all?
Wait, you know the whole 1,000 naira for hand.
Why you go tell her you get collection?
What you consign for this matter? Yeah.
Because
you don't go a house.
Because you don't go a house.
Meaning you don't go to see him.
I'm gonna say no even give you the money because the money there.
This one you want fund like. Make una dey deceive yourself.
You don't go to see him.
Wait, you know no in a village day when they you know go carry
Okay,
them. What you
I
want
will ask you a question. What do you go do for a room? What do you go do for a room? Na me do the same. Useless. Okay, how 1,000 hours?
What you consign you master?
He doesn't go to press.
What I go do?
Collect injection.
Don't reach.
No mind that girl, what a deceive you.
Boy get money.
I just
try.
tire.
Give him. Get money.